Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hazel once again. And so for today's look, I'm doing a simple peachy makeup tutorial and I hope you like this look. It's really refreshing and it's also good for summer, especially that summer is coming, guys. And just keep on watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and click that bell button below so you would be notified for our next video. To start off, make sure that your face is moisturized and apply foundation. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Igloo Palette by Sephora, and I'm using the neutral colors. The first color would be beige, and then apply them into your crease. And then the next eyeshadow would be the peachy orange-like color. And don't forget to blend them. The next color would be the shimmery peachy orange color, and I use my finger instead of a makeup brush, and then just apply it to your upper eyelid. And then I just blended the orangey peachy like color into my crease. And of course people, don't forget your eyeliner. And then don't forget to fill in your eyebrows. And then apply concealer below and on the top of your eyebrows to clean out the edges. And don't forget to apply concealer for your under eye. And then don't forget to set the under eye after you put concealer in. Next, curl your eyelashes and then apply mascara. Apply the orangey peachy color for your under eyelid and then add mascara to your lower lashes. And then next, contour your face and your nose. Add highlighter on the bridge of your nose and at the lower edge of your eyebrows. And don't forget the bronzer. Next, don't forget your lips. Add lipstick or lip tint or any kind. And don't forget to set your face with a powder. Lastly, use a setting spray. So that's it for today's tutorial, and I hope you like it. And please give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you wanna suggest any videos you want me to do or any challenge, whatever. And so once again, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel, and if you've been watching my videos and haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time.